Yes, small goodies.
Yep, I have to buy one of these because we have a pool that is quite big and this is doing 30 kilometers an hour. So this is going to be interesting. We paid 2,690 baht for it, so not the cheapest one. It is not brushless motor, but it's fast enough. The big brothers actually have a brushless motor, but that is too fast for our pool. So over here we have a pool with water in it, and the thing that we can use in water is actually a boat. So we bought this one, FT009 racing boat that does 30 kilometers an hour. So this is the unboxing and test of this boat. The guys in the store actually tested it and everything, so it works. That helps. Don't want to buy things that is broken. Maybe I will break it now. I don't know. Comes with a remote control. You know, ordinary toy grade control. The boat itself, not bad, not bad. It's kind of cool. And from what I'm understanding, you can actually, you open it back here, you lift it up, and you have one more compartment before the battery. So it seems pretty safe from leaking. I think pretty safe because it's a toy and I will be one driving it, so you never know. You get a charger, of course, 2 of the nose cones, so you actually have some more protection from hitting the wall in that pool, because that's gonna happen. I'm pretty sure of it. That's how it goes. And you get the stand to show off your beauty, if you understand how you do it. Oh, that's kind of cool. So you can show it off. And one more extra propeller was included, so that's good. I saw some YouTube videos on this, and seems like everybody is talking about this. This is for trim and start and everything like that. So I never tried it in the water because it doesn't start outside water. It needs to short circuit these 2 guys. There's 2 here that needs to have water on it, so it can be short circuit and work. Nice stuff. I am looking forward to use this. What are you doing, sir? I see drunk people driving a boat. Subscribe, like, dislike. Touch the bell icon. Ding dong. If you do that, it makes me happy.
Bye bye.